chronic dry scalp, I feel like the best pairing for you would be spicy and mint condition. Spicy leave-in spray contains green tea, ginger oil, neem oil, and eucalyptus. It is amazing for itchy scalps, dry itchy scalps, psoriasis, all of that. But if you're not fond of the ginger smell, it could be a little bit like, ugh. So as far as the leave-in sprays go, they are great for moisturizing, hydrating hair, but they're also so lightweight that you can use them daily. But for ones that you want to reap the benefits from, like spicy, I guess would be the best example, because I feel like spicy is the only one that I would say has like a questionable smell if you're not into ginger. If you are, it's great. If you're not, it's like, oh, do I want to smell like ginger all day? So I feel like you could really reap the benefits from it if you spray it on your scalp an hour before you're gonna wash your hair. Spray it on your scalp even up to 2 hours, so you could get like that real penetration of feeling the benefits of spicy without having to keep smelling gingery all day. So if you guys haven't heard yet or seen any of my posts, I am coming out with a shampoo body wash very soon.